All AC parts inside your condenser unit work together to keep your home cool and comfy during those blazing hot days. Okay, so first off, the compressor is the heart of the whole system. It squeezes the refrigerant gas to make it hot and high pressure before sending it to the condenser coil. Then you got the condenser fan motor, which is basically the unit's personal fan that blows air over the condenser coil to cool the refrigerant down so it can turn back into a liquid. Inside the condenser unit, there are also electrical parts like capacitors, contactors, and relays that control when the compressor and fan turn on or off. Capacitors store energy to help the motors start up and keep them running smoothly without burning out. Contactors act like switches that get triggered by your thermostat to power the compressor and fan when cooling is needed. Relays help manage the electrical flow safely inside the unit. Keeping these parts clean and free from debris is super important because dust and dirt can mess with their performance and shorten their lifespan. Also, checking for any signs of wear or damage early on can save you big bucks on repairs later. One of the biggest mistakes people make with their condenser unit is ignoring regular maintenance, which leads to clogged coils and dirty fans that kill efficiency. Fix this by scheduling routine cleanings at least once a year, or doing simple cleanups yourself if you're up for it. Another common issue is failing capacitors or contactors that cause your compressor or fan to stop working properly, which can make your AC blow warm air or shut off randomly. If you notice weird noises or inconsistent cooling, call a pro to test and replace those electrical parts for you. Lastly, some folks underestimate the importance of clearing space around the condenser unit, like letting plants or debris crowd it, which blocks airflow and makes the system work harder than it should. Just keep at least 2 feet of clearance around the unit for good air circulation and better performance. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners easily find trusted local contractors who know their way around AC systems and other home projects. It also gives contractors a solid way to connect with people needing their skills, making the whole process smoother for everyone.